Okay, Councillor Wells, I'm going to challenge you on your statement in the press briefing that we've just had, the ANC caucus press briefing with the RAC present, that Makana municipality could do more if residents paid their rates, if people paid their bills. I know that a lot of people will say, but you had, not you personally, but Makana municipality had our money and they misspent it, and that's an objective assessment by a non-political body, namely the AG. So it's not a political criticism, it's an objective criticism 4 years running by the Auditor General that Makana is not spending its money correctly. But you're saying very strongly that in order to be able to do more, residents need to pay up. I think that statement for many is going to be very hard to swallow.
Okay. Issues about not managing funds appropriately in the past are, first of all, they're ones that are very complicated. I can just say that for us in the council, we're also trying to understand what exactly went wrong to deplete our funds. And there's not a single, not one simple answer. It's a bit complex. But to me, I think really what we'd say to the ratepayers is that this is exactly why, what we're looking forward to by having assistance. The assistance we've had already under Section 154, as I've said in the press briefing, our acting CFO has been able to introduce quite comprehensive and rigorous operational policies, which she says she found missing or out of date by the time that she's arrived. So that's one of the things that is happening under the current situation that should in fact make a difference. Similarly, we expect that the processes will be taken even further under the Section 1391B. Part of what happens under that is that the province is then, let's say, legally entitled to send more professional people to assist us in our records management and our bookkeeping and that sort of thing. So that's why we say we think we've turned the corner and it's going to get better. And again, you know, what people are asked to pay for is basically what they've used. You know, they get billed for your water and your electricity, your refuse collection, etc. And usually you're billed, you know, after the services have been rendered. So that's part of the formula, is to say if you're using services, you really need to pay for them. You know, one of the alternatives that is tried and sort of slowly getting rolled out in different places is to say, you know, let everybody be on prepaid electricity meters. Then you won't owe the municipality anything. You pay as you go, and you know what you're paying for as you pay for it. So that's something we're not forcing anybody, but we're trying to bring in as far as practicable. To say, you know, let people understand. You pay, you get. You pay, you get. You know, what we're asking residents to pay for is basically what they've already consumed.